Now, one of those former officers, Brett Hankison, appeared in federal court in downtown Louisville this afternoon. He's accused of using excessive force when he fired shots into Taylor's apartment and that neighboring apartment we just told you about. Grace McKenna was in the courtroom this morning for the latest hearing. And Grace, the big news today, a new date for that federal trial, and it has really been moved past about a year from now?
It has, Doug. Yeah, a judge today set the date for that trial to August the 21st, 2023. So like you point out, nearly a year from now. And we do expect the whole thing, according to the defense attorneys today, to take about 3 to 4 weeks. And attorneys will have a lot to go through between now and then. The prosecutors today said they'd already handed over one hard drive of discovery, more than 65,000 documents, 300,000 pages, and there is more to come. Also today, Hankison's defense attorney said he had complied with a court-ordered DNA test yesterday. And then today, he also agreed to clarified bond terms, saying he can't leave the Western District of Kentucky without approval from the courts. And Doug, like you point out, initially this trial was set for October of this year, in just about a month. Attorneys today said there's just too much discovery, too much evidence to go through, and everybody in court today was on board with pushing that trial until August of next year. Doug?
That first date was awfully fast. You're right there, Gracie. You know, we also learned more, you did, about who will be representing Brett Hankison here in the future. Who did appear in court today?
Today in court, Doug, we saw two attorneys. We saw Jack Bird, who's out of Nashville, and then we also saw Louisville-based Ibrahim Farag, who actually was on the team representing Hankison in his wanton endangerment trial, where he was, of course, found not guilty. Doug?
All right, Grace, thank you very much. Downtown Louisville, outside the federal courthouse. Well, Brett Hankison is one of 4 former officers now federally charged in this case. He, Joshua James, and Kyle Meany have all pleaded not guilty. Kelly Goodlett pleaded guilty in August.